Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Academic IS. Today in this series, I am going to teach how to analysis the PYQs questions. Today I pick up the topics politics and society from Sociology paper 1 optional subject that I have, we and whoever have. So let's see how to analysis these PYQs themes and how the questions do repeat and how we can even do predict the new dimension of the question. The topics and the theme is power elite, bureaucracy, pressure group, and political parties. So first, let's see. That is the power elite. Okay, and this is the theme. Okay, now I will look how what are the sub themes that have comes in the previous year's questions. And I will tell how the questions do repeat. Hmm. So power elite. Let's look power elite. Okay. Uh, the first questions that comes in 2014, so that is discuss the importance of power elite in democracy. Okay, this is the sub theme. Next questions is what according to Pareto are the basic characteristic of elites discuss. Hmm. If you have the read the topics, you will have all notes of this or all these things. Okay. Next is discuss the concept of circulation of elite. This is again from Pareto's theories of elite. Okay, against elite, according to Mills, elite rule in institutional terms rather than psychological terms. Comment. This is a very good analytical questions that comes in 2020. And next question is critically examine the relevance of Pareto's theory of circulation of light in the present scenario. So, see how the questions do repeat. The same question have comes in 2018. That was the basic characteristic of light, and they do ask the same questions in 2021 and with some additions, that is they add what is the relevance of Plato's theory of circulation of light in the present scenario. So if you look at the questions and observe, so we will find that they are asking the relevance of the theories in the present scenarios. That is the applied based questions. That how we can apply to the theories in this present scenario. So understanding the concept is very much important. Okay. So we have seen how the questions do repeat. Okay. And no questions. Yes. So these are the questions that do comes for power elite. Okay. So do practice all these PYQs sub themes, and we'll find will do check your notes that what are the new themes and dimension left that to and can be asked in the question. And next another sub theme is our is pressure group and political parties. Okay, so let's see how the questions do come and do repeat. The first question is, let me change the color of the question. Okay. Okay. The first question is examine the role of pressure group in parliamentary democracy. Okay, and they ask the same type of questions. Okay, that I will telling you. Okay, examine the role of pressure group in the formation of social policies. So, if we can see that these two questions are interlinked. Hmm. The democracy, we all know what is the democracy is and how it we people to participate and impact the policy making process of the government. In the same way, this is all about. So they asked the, so the questions can be framed this way, that what it is the role of the pressure groups in this task. They can ask in new dimension, others new dimension way. Next is distinguish the difference between political parties and pressure group. It is a very simple question. Okay. And what say, and they asked, just when I always do read the questions carefully. Okay. And next they do ask, explain how political parties and pressure group are dialectically related. Okay, related to each other in terms of achieving the goals. So we have to find out what are the common goals that political parties and pressure groups do pursue. Okay, so here we have to tell these things. And here they do ask another means interesting theory that I do like, that is Iron's law of oligarchy. Oligarchy, we should know that that's only the few people do comes in the power. Okay, so oligarchy powers, the iron law of oligarchy, and do lions and fox in Plato's theories essentially differ from each other. Yeah, this is a very interesting theory. So if you have read it, it will be clear. Okay, so these are the questions that have comes from these subtopics, and we have seen the themes and the sub themes and how the questions do repeat and how we should approach. If you people want, I can do make that answer. I will try to make the detailed answer of these questions later on. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.